How are client loyalty and service quality measured? In this use case, we will take a look at how Noda Contact Center can be used to simply and quickly measure Net Promoter Score. Automated calling that does not require operator input. All we have to do in order to measure client loyalty is call them to ask a single question. Would they recommend the company's services to their friends? The client simply presses 1 for yes, 2 for no, and 3 if it's hard to say. Over the next 3 minutes, you will learn how to set up an automatic outgoing call project. Create and add sound files to the IVR script. Set up the IVR script. Upload a database and get started making calls. Set up reporting. Creating and adding audio files to the IVR script. Step 1. We add audio files with the text for our outgoing project to the media library. We'll use them later to create an IVR script. For demonstration purposes, we just need 2 files. IVR Builder independently converts files into the required format, meaning you don't need any additional applications. Setting up the IVR script. After the sound files are ready, we move on to putting together an IVR script. We start by creating a greeting block, attaching the audio file with the greeting we made earlier. Noda Contact Center features a visual IVR editor that allows users to set up IVR scripts without any technical equipment. The user-friendly interface makes it easy to quickly put together the overall logic for how the IVR script should work, while the second block helps us understand which button the client pressed. We assign our conditions to the 1, 2, and 3 buttons so as to obtain the client's answer. When setting up an IVR script, it's crucial to visually see the block sequence in the menu and how each block relates to the rest. That makes it easier to quickly implement changes. To close, we add a recorded farewell block and hang-up that works the same as the greeting. Setting up an automatic outgoing project. Adding the IVR script. Uploading phone numbers. Making calls. Setting up reporting. After setting up the IVR script, we move on to setting up the automatic outgoing call project. For that, we'll need to do 3 things. Upload phone numbers to call. The system has multiple input formats, including from Excel. Indicate the IVR system we created during project setup. Start making calls and set up project reporting. Before doing anything else, we add all the IVR scripts we previously set up, indicating all the required settings. Uploading phone numbers and beginning the call process. The next step is to add numbers to be called. For our case, we'll use a database with 3,000 numbers stored in an external Excel file named Cases. After just a few clicks, we import the file with the database, showing us a ready list of numbers on our screen. Having gone through the preceding steps, the system is now ready to kick off the project. It is very easy to launch the dialing procedure, as the project card displays everything there is to know. Afterwards, we see that 2,952 numbers were called. Creating and setting up reports. After calls wrap up, we move on to creating a report by indicating the call period and information display format. The report is quickly and easily exported to Excel. And that is how Noda Contact Center allows you to quickly and simply measure your Net Promoter Score. www.nodacontact.com